Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily add a photo inside of your Squarespace website. So first things first, as you can see, we need to add a section. This is something. Nope. Let's go to this page and add a section here. And we are adding a section and we want to scroll down and add an image. So let's go with this. Right, we are gonna have more options, and we are about to edit a gallery. We have like, I don't know, this one, but we don't want it, so we delete two of them. And at the moment we have two photos. We are gonna edit a gallery, edit an image, and right now you can play with the image itself. And also you can add a link, or if you can see, you have close, gallery, and this plus button, and we're gonna hit that plus button and upload image. For example, I'm gonna go with lake and delete this one and close it. So you see, this is a comprimed image because it have to like fill the space. But yeah, just like that, you can easily add the image or photo inside of your website. This could be like your photo or whoever you actually like, or whatever you like. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.